Hey peeps, it's Anna from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to be dealing with the Natural Sciences, Matter and Materials Grade 9 question taken from the ECE November 2013 question paper. Let's dive straight in. We're looking at question 8 of that question paper, and the instruction is use the model key for each element and write the symbol equations. Now let's have a look at the key. The element here with the symbol H is hydrogen, and that's denoted by a small dark circle. C for carbon is denoted by a big dark circle. O for oxygen is denoted by a lighter colored circle. And Na for sodium is denoted by a big circle with these lines running across it. Okay, so now that we know the key, let's have a look at the compounds indicated here. In the first square, there's one big dark circle and four smaller dark circles, and that gives us CH4, which is the code for methane. And here we've got two molecules made up of two O's each, so that's two molecules of oxygen, and this gives us one carbon molecule and two oxygen molecules, CO2. And here we've got one big oxygen and two small hydrogens, and two of these molecules, two H2O. H2O is the symbol for water. Okay, and let's have a look at 8.2. What you've got here is two small dark circles, so that's 2H or H2, a molecule of hydrogen, and we've got also two atoms of oxygen. See our key over there? That gives us O2, and this equation leads us to here, H2O. Now let's have a look at each of these equations in full. All right, 8.1. We said CH4 plus 2O2 will give us CO2 plus 2H2O. Okay, and for 8.2, H2 plus O2 will give us H2O. Now this equation is not balanced, but that's a story for another day. To answer the question given here, these answers will suffice. Okay, so that's that for question number 8. Now, but before I go, I'd like to say a very special thank you to our epic sponsor for making this video possible. Read about them in the description below. Be sure to check out our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, you can send us the question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until next time, stay epic.